let's make a candle holder with some window clings and some super pretty glittery Mod Podge I got on clearance. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So this is it. It's a Mod Podge. It's got glitter to it. Got it on clearance for $5 at Michael's. So excited. So I have this candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I'm just wiping it down with some rubbing alcohol, and I have window clings. And yeah, it's this simple. We're going to add the window clings. This one's a Happy Easter one. You could put any kind of window cling on it that you wanted. You probably could even use stickers if you wanted. And all I'm going to do is adhere it to the side. Make sure that you don't have a piece that's sticking out over the edge, because that's obviously not going to adhere. But I just make sure to rub it to get all of the air bubbles out and make sure it's really adhered. Now I have done this where I've put glue on the back and then done it just never works as well as just doing it this way. If you have different results, great. Excited for you, but this is the way that works for me. And all I'm doing is just using all of the flowers and the butterflies from this Happy Easter window cling. I feel like it's a super cool, like springy addition to my decor. Now I'm going to show you two different things that I did. The first way is I put the glittery stuff in this cup and I just used a dauber and dabbed it on. And the glitter, look at how clumpy, like it all distributed the glitter in one big clump on that corner. I didn't like that. I wanted it more like very subtle. So I, again, am going to continue with the dauber, and I actually just kind of brushed off the glitter, and this is just a piece of parchment paper. And so what I found worked was dab it into the glitter Mod Podge and then dab it onto a piece of parchment paper or a piece of paper, and it takes off that initial big glob of glitter, if that makes any sense. And then I just do the dauber all the way around. Now, reading the back of this container, friends, this is like a dishwasher safe Mod Podge. I know. Now listen, would I put this in the dishwasher? No. I would, if you want it dishwasher safe, you have to let it sit for like 28 days. But I have found with these, they are washable, hand washable, if you give them, let it dry for like 24 hours. I know I'm going to have people in the comments raring at me, but I'm just saying, this is what's worked for me. If it doesn't work for you, don't do it. Anyways, so I do each of the sides just like this. And the reason why I'm using a dauber and not a brush is I am so... Ever have pet peeves in crafting? Well, one of them is brush strokes. I know that sounds crazy, but I can't stand brush strokes. So I use the dauber, and it actually gives like this frosted glass kind of texture that I am totally there for. Now, I only did one coat. You could totally do 2 coats. It's just the more coats you do, the more textured it's going to look, right? Look at how pretty this is. Quit it. Look at, and there's just a little bit of sparkle to it. Oh, and I was afraid to touch it because I thought the sparkles were going to come out, and they don't. They're right in there. It is so cool. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, so many options now with this. I'm so excited. Oh, and it was on clearance. I mean, come on. But this is what it looks like with a little candle in it. So pretty. And then this is another side, and I'll show you with that with the candle too. But quit it, right? Super easy, and the sky's the limit with the options on this, right? Oh, so excited. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.